Okay, now next unit is unit number 6, which is an adverb. Okay, now first of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Okay, give more information about a verb. It tells how, where, or when an action happen. For example, daily, somewhere, everywhere, quickly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, today, swiftly, etc. All these are adverbs. Okay. Adverbs always describe verbs. Some students are confused in adverbs and adjectives. Okay. So you remember one thing in mind. Keep one thing in your mind, that adverb always describe verbs. Verb is an action words. Okay. Adverb always describe an action words, and adjective describe a nouns. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb, like her dress is elegant. But if we elegant is an adjective, but when we add ly to elegant, it becomes elegantly. So it is an adverb now. Okay. As we already studied about comparative and superlative degrees. Okay. Now comparative adverb and superlative adverb are also there. Okay. First, comparative. Okay. Comparative adverb can describe the difference between two actions, like we add er after this, like as you can see here, late, we add er, so it becomes later. It is a comparative degree. Okay. Next is superlative degree. Superlative adverb can describe the difference between more than two actions. Okay. Like late is a positive, later is a comparative, but when we add est after this, it becomes latest. So it is a superlative degree. Okay, superlative adverb. Now, as you can see here in this exercise, say the adverbs in these sentences. The first sentence is the girl sang the loudest of all. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the girl sang the loudest. Now, loudest is a superlative adverb. Why? Because est is there. Okay. So, this sentence is a superlative adverb. A tortoise moves slower than a hare. Here we use er with slower, with the verb. Okay. So, it becomes comparative adverb. Next is I go to bed earlier during the week. We use er with the verb, so it becomes comparative. The red car traveled the fastest. It becomes fastest, est is there, so it becomes superlative. I'm working very hard. In this sentence, working is just an adverb. Okay. Now see next exercise. Copy and complete the adverb table. So here there are some adverbs, and now you write here it's comparative and superlative adverbs. Like hard becomes harder. You write er in comparative column, and you write est in superlative column. Like hard becomes harder and hardest. Fast, faster, fastest. Late, later, latest. High, higher, highest. Slow, slower, slowest. Loud, louder, loudest. Near, nearer, and nearest. Okay. Now, some adverbs do not form the comparative and superlative from their real name. They have irregular adverbs of comparison. Like, well is not a weller or wellest. No. Well become better, best. Badly, worse, rust. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, further, furthest. Okay. Now complete these sentences with the correct adverb. He ran. 3 options are there. You tick the correct option. He ran far, further, furthest than his friend. He ran furthest than his friend. Okay. You are looking badly, worse, rust than today you did yesterday. You are looking rust today than you did yesterday. Okay. I play football well, better, best than my brother. I play football better than my brother. Sam sings the well, better, best in his class. Sam sings the best in his class. She had collected the much more most game cards. She had collected more game cards. Okay, this is all about today.